morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar edged higher against major peers after a change in rhetoric from US President Donald Trump lowered the temperature of simmering trade tensions with China, while political developments in France and Japan undermined the euro and the yen. Gold broke through $4,100 per ounce for the first time, hitting another record high on renewed US-China trade tensions and expectations of US interest rate cuts, while silver also rose to an all-time high. Wall Street's main indexes rallied, led by gains in Broadcom and other chip makers, after President Donald Trump struck a conciliatory tone that eased worries about renewed US-China trade tensions.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Gold prices skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.